how to get $35 promo code on 24-hour fitness. So let's get started. In order to get $35 promo code on 24-hour fitness, you'll have to go to any web browser and search for the 24-hour fitness promo code in the search address bar. Now, once you search for it, you'll be navigated to the promo codes website. Now scroll down and look for the website you want to choose and tap on it. Once you tap on the promo code website, you will be navigated to a list of offers or promo codes option available there. Tap on it according to your preferences. You can see various options available there. Once you tap on it, you will be navigated to the promo code. Here you can see a promo code visible on your screen. Now all you have to do is copy it and paste it on a 24-hour fitness account and it will work. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.